So when you are learning data science courses, okay, so you are given a set of data sets which are kind of fake. Okay, the data set are meant to have a very good predictions when it comes to machine learning, and real world data actually is not anything like that. Okay, so how a real data science project looks like is something very perspective and subjective. Here, my friend Gaurav will be having a very different answer for this because his domain is for some alag data and my domain would be for alag data. So basically, this question is very subjective to person. So for me, how a real data science project works and how it looks like, it is, for example, let's just say uh, you you are given a raw data which is basically very unclean. The raw data are very unclean. This is the most realistic example I can give you. The the data which you get in the course is a lot cleaner and it's easy to clean it. But when it comes to a real time data, there are a lot of missing values. Missing values, some values are actually, rubbish. Like even in the column of n, like in a schema of number, you will get a string out of nowhere. Like you cannot even actually track it out. How to do it? So basically, the data is very unstructured. So the life cycle of a project in a real data science world goes from data acquisition, data cleaning. This is the methodology: data acquisition, data cleaning, looking for missing values, replacing the missing values, or maybe dropping the missing columns, missing rows, or also processing the data in terms of normalizing it, standardizing it. This whole thing comes into a data analysis wala part, and this is the first stage of the life cycle in data science project. And then you have to look at what business problem you might be solving, right? So basically, if you're solving some sort of text analysis, so you have to apply NLP to that, right? If you want to do some sort of audio analysis, you have to go with RNN, which is recurrent neural network. So based out of your business problem, you have to decide the next step. This is what actual data science project looks like. For an example, I have worked with a company whose when I joined, the reviews were 3.6 Play Store reviews, and it came down from 4.2 to 3.6 in just 3 months. So the founder itself asked Ratnakar, "ये क्या हो रहा है, bro? देखो क्या है ये," and give us the insight कि ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है and what can we do to make it better. So here, the business problem is not like Kaggle, right? Obviously, Kaggle gives you the business problem, which is right in front of you. Okay. So even if we are talking about Kaggle also have a real-time real data set, but basically there are a lot of people who will be guiding you how to do that. But in real time, there are very few peers that can help you. So you have to keep learning. The process has to be feedback every single time when you are into doing the data science project for real world. So this is how it is, and basically the problem statement to problem statement, the real data science project actually looks very different. So this is what it is like.